The Florida Public Library Data Dashboard is intended to provide an easy way to display reported data beginning in the fiscal years 2018 to 19 through the most recently published fiscal year's data. Data is collected in the annual statistical report form for public libraries. Data is presented as it has been reported by the libraries. Visit bit.ly/FL Library Data. Scroll down the page and click on the link to the dashboard under the Florida Public Library Data Dashboard header to view the Public Library Data Dashboard. You may also view the published data tables in PDF format on the Library Data and Statistics webpage.
The expansion arrows in the bottom right corner of the page allow you to use the dashboard in full screen mode. Upon opening the dashboard, an information overlay will provide you with useful features unique to the page, such as clickable items, tooltips, and data drill-down cards. These features will appear when you hover over each item. You may click anywhere to close the information panel. To view the information panel again, simply click on the yellow question mark in the top right corner of the page. Summed data elements show the most recent fiscal year's total. For example, the data card for borrowers shows the most recent number of borrowers. There are two menus for filtering data on this dashboard. You may use the expanded filters or the basic filter by library. The expanded filters are open by default. To view the basic filter, click the yellow arrow in the top left corner of the dashboard. The basic filters show only filters for individual libraries in Florida. You may select one library or use Ctrl+Click to select multiple libraries. Use the hamburger icon in the top left corner of the dashboard to return to the expanded filters. Use the eraser icon on each filter to clear your selection. On the introduction page, you may navigate pages by using the table of contents on the right side of the screen. You may also use the navigation arrows at the bottom of the page. There are 13 different topical data dashboards as highlighted by the arrows on the right side of the screen. Use the yellow arrow in the top right corner of the page to close the table of contents. Use the white arrow surrounded by a circle in the top right corner of the page to open the table of contents. Many visuals have tooltips, which allow you to hover over a data point and view details about the data. You may open a more detailed view of each data element by clicking on the data card for that data element. The drill down for each data card shows two charts. The top chart shows the data element for each library in your selected filters. The bottom chart shows the data element for each fiscal year in your selected filters. Use the white X in the top right corner of the page to close the drill down page and return to the dashboard page. Use the focus mode icon to expand a visual so that it fills the screen. Use the back arrow in the top left corner of focus mode to return to the main dashboard page. Data is presented as it has been reported by libraries. Please note, all numerical values for non-reporting libraries appear as 0. Data reported by libraries as not applicable or not counted will also appear as 0. Some data elements, such as self-directed programming, were not part of previous statistical reports, and will appear as 0 during years in which the data was not collected. For more information, visit bit.ly/FL Library Data. Please direct your questions about specific library data to the library reporting the data. You can direct questions about the Florida Public Library Data Dashboard to Florida's State Data Coordinator at 850-245-6636.